Hi, this is Colin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload images to your website. We're starting here from your dashboard where I've got a shortcut button set up that'll just take you straight to the page. You can also go from the new tab to media or from media to add new, which will all take you to the same place, but we're just going to use the shortcut button, which will take you to the screen. And from here, this is where you're going to upload images. Real quick, we're going to actually go over to your docs and let's go to the help docs. And this will take you to how to upload images, and this is where you've got some written instructions for how to upload images. And I do want to encourage you to optimize your images before you upload them. This is just kind of goes into a little bit of image optimization, why to do it. Basically, it's just in a nutshell, it's to help improve your website speed or load speed of your pages. It's just going to make everything faster on your website. The way that we do that, there's two factors you want to keep in mind is your image dimensions and image compression. If you have any sort of software already installed that you use to edit photos and images, then you'll be familiar with how to reset or size your images. If you don't have anything like that and you're not that familiar, there's a real simple way. Just use the default Windows Paint on your on Windows, the default app, Paint app. It's an easy way to resize images. And I like to keep got some guidelines here just to keep things simple. Just kind of think of your images in terms of small, medium, and large. Kind of 500 pics, 800 pics, and 1200. Small being like a profile picture, something medium, something that's like halfway across the page that you want halfway across the page. That'll be about 800 pics. Will be a good rule of thumb. And anything that goes across the entire top of your page, like a banner, is a good rule of thumb is about 1200 pics. Will get you is plenty large enough to give you a good quality image. Also, in terms of the next factor is your image compression. Again, if you already use some sort of tool, you'll know how to compress images. If you're not that familiar or just want an easy way to do it, I recommend using a website called TinyJPEG. It's a real reliable site for compressing images, and it does a real good job. All you have to do is just drag and drop. You drag an image, or you can click the button and open it from your computer. And when you do that, you'll upload it and it will compress it for you, and then you'll have a download button. And when you get ready to download, I do recommend that you rename it. Just add something to the end of the file like OPT or comp, or type it out fully compressed, so that you can keep track of which image has been compressed, and that you don't overwrite your original file. Now you're ready to upload an image. Now we're going to go add an image, and again, we've already gotten to the add new page. Once you've done that, let's go just add an image. I'm going to go here, and we're going to go ahead, and this time I'm going to upload, and you can see I renamed it comp here for this image. I'm going to go ahead and upload this one. And once we've done that, we've uploaded our image. The next step is going to be, you want to make sure and add alternative text. This is to improve search engine results on Google. It just helps people sometimes find your page, find something relevant about the image, and also for people that are viewing your website, they're visually impaired using a screen reader. It just makes, again, for a better experience for them to give some brief description. This is the tag or attribute that they're going to read when they're reading your website. So you go edit, and we're going to add image, and we're just again going to do something like book to laptop, and you're going to want to enter that in this alternative text input area. And again, that just makes it where someone can read a little bit more. If they can't actually see the picture, they'll be able to read a description of it. And then we'll just update that. And now you're ready. And if you go back and you're going to the library, you can do this, and you can scroll through the images, and you usually want to also scroll through and make sure that you've added something to the alternative text. This is just a local version that I've got installed on my computer, so I haven't necessarily been diligent about adding alternative text. But in general, a good rule of thumb, when anytime you do that, I do want you to make sure you do want to make sure that you add alternative text. Now you're ready. Now that it's in your image library, you're ready to add it to a post, and go. You can go to your image library and do anything you want from there. And some of the reasons you might want to. Normally, you're going to upload an image when you're actually creating the post. in some cases you might want to go ahead and upload it. You just created a few photos or something and resized them, and you want to upload them, and you want to go ahead and upload them and come back later and recreate your post, then that's when you might want to go ahead and upload them now. But normally you're actually usually going to just upload your images when you're creating a post or an event. That's really all there is to this. Hope this was useful. We'll see you on the other side.